I feel like they've introduced a lot of new stuff that you may not have seen before, and they're at really good prices. And I think, like you said, like even just the kitchen section here has so much that you may not have seen before, and it's amazing storage, and there's all kinds of range.
See it because we can hardly walk through this place. It's so crowded, and we just have to stop ourselves from grabbing everything we see because it's pretty affordable and like it's everyday life kind of stuff.
It is great, there's such a big thing in India happening. It's like cannot like I'm speechless right now. Like to see such a big store in Hyderabad, and we are privileged to have this thing.
What we have here today, we have a great day out for the whole family, and we have a shopping experience where we have every product under one roof. So whether you're looking for a sofa, a bed, children's furniture, home accessories for every room, you have it all under one roof.